Welcome to episode 39. Hello and welcome. This one is a bit of a different, bit of a diversion from previous episodes, so enjoy. The BMW roundel. So this actually is a bit old and tatty, and I want to make my own essentially. So it's took me a little bit of time to work out, but here's the journey. Okay, so this is my rough logo. I've drawn it up on one of those iPad drawing apps. So I've just kind of roughly drawn what I'm after. Took me some time to get to this logo, by the way, but that's where I got to. And then I converted it to this, which is a PowerPoint version. And then, well, I drew it on PowerPoint and then got someone to save it as a higher reg PNG, whatever that is. So that is my official logo, which I'm liking a lot. Yeah. Okay, so once I'd got my design done, I got some stickers made. These are just peel and stick vinyl stickers. Just get them off the internet, off eBay I think, or somewhere similar. Just googled vinyl stickers, uploaded my artwork, printed them off. Plan was to stick them onto the thing itself. However, here's one I can peel off quickly. When I put it on, I realised the white was too white, and it doesn't really go. So I needed a plan B. Love the design, don't like the vinyl sticker thing. So here's what I've done. Right, so I get my mate to draw the logo in one of these 3D packages. If I move this around, you can see it. So that's essentially the 3D thing. Yeah, this is clever, isn't it? So that's what I'm going to have 3D printed, and that's going to be the roundel on the bike. So it's about 2mm by 70mm, I think, is the dimensions of that. Good, isn't it? Next job is to have it 3D printed. And here is my first prototype. It's just a thing of beauty, it really is. Yep, looking that. So that's going to go on there, and I'm going to spray it black, same black as the tank. Spray it black with, sorry so I can see it, spray it black, and then have the cog and the inner thing in my bronze colour. So let me just spray that up and see how it looks. I want to show you, it's got my name around the outside. I've gone with this Black Heart Custom motorcycles, which is my little brand I've gone with. So yeah, hope you're liking that. It's a prototype, so I might have to redo them, but we'll see how it goes. Let me spray it up and see. Okay, so here are my roundels. I've sprayed them both black, and now I'm going to just pick out the detail with a bit of bronze paint, which is the same as the tank. like that. Okay, as you don't know watch paint dry, you can come back in a bit. Okay, these are my finished badges. Aren't they groovy? I'm liking those a lot, actually. I'm liking them a lot. This is my test one that I've been playing with, because what I've actually done about this one as well, these are flat. If I put them over the original badge, you can see because they're flat, and this is slightly domed. So this one I put over here using a heat gun, warmed it up to dome it, so it's not perfect, but it's almost there. Let me show you how it looks on the tank, which is there. Boom. You can see the black, it's the same, actually the same colours, but there you go. That's how it's going to look. And that's how it looks on the bike. On the tank even. Liking that a lot, I have to say. That's pretty groovy, that. Okay, roundel's done. Well, there you go. Hope you like that. Hope you like this. You'll notice that's my page logo, which I think is that top corner. Might be that corner as well. Anyway, my logo. If you liked it, please press like, questions, comment, subscribe, all those things. Normal service is resumed next time. Thanks for watching.